Got you some chocolates for Valentine's Day.
That's lovely, but I did want flowers.
Oh. Wait. Got you some.
How did you make them?
Secret. Have you on watching the video and find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Small Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name's Laura.
We are splitting this video into two parts. Don't worry, it's both in the same video, not two separate videos, and we'll be in the timestamps below. For part number one, we are going to be making our sponge. You are going to need 4 eggs, 225 grams of butter, 225 grams of sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of that extra rise baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of any flavourings that you want. Today we are going with vanilla extract. You are going to need 10 muffin liners, preferably green so they look a bit like leaves, and 10 normal cupcake cases. Just before you begin, we are going to preheat your oven to 200 degrees, which is gas mark 6. We are going to add in all of our ingredients. I'm going to start with the flour first, sugar, baking powder, go in with our butter in the centre, just makes it a bit easier, our eggs. Alright, if you get a bit of shelling, just yonk it out.
It's okay, but I'm a better egg cracker than you know.
Right, hey, look at that. Did that one perfectly, just that one didn't crack then.
I'm going to have to scoop some eggshell out though.
See, the reason you cracked it on the table, less likely to get eggshell in your bowl, did you know that? Learn that off a bit of Ramsay.
I'll have to get less from cracking off your head.
Oh, aye. We'll give it a try.
And then cook it.
No, married. And then finally, our vanilla extract.
She got there in the end.
Gonna wash my hands because we've had a bit of egg on.
You can do the dishes if you want.
Mix on a medium speed. Now when you are finished your mixture, should look something like this. You're going to put the white one inside, just helps it hold its shape a little bit easier for when we do our bouquet. You are going to fill these cupcake cases about halfway. So you want, I would say just over halfway in each one, just to make sure we have enough sponge.
This mixture is enough to make 10 cupcakes, so you will have 3 extra. We are going to stick with 7, so it is handy to have 3 backup cupcakes as well, if a couple of them do go wrong.
Especially for the piping purposes. We're going to put these in for roughly 20 to 25 minutes, or whenever they're golden brown, or if you put a knife through, it comes out clean. For part number 2 of this video, we are going to be making our delicious buttercream, perfect for icing those cakes. For this buttercream recipe, you will need 452 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 kilograms of icing sugar. I would give a little bit extra, it depends on the consistency of your mixture. As you go, you might need to add a few more. 4 teaspoons of lemon extract, or whatever flavouring you wish to have your buttercream. 120 millilitres of double cream. Any 2 food colourings of your choice. We are going with red and green. 2 Russian piping tips, a leaf piping tip, and 3 piping bags. We want to make sure this butter is at room temperature. Very important step. We are going to mix this butter for around 8 to 10 minutes, or until the butter has turned white and fluffy. Yeah, crazy white, but it does. That's how we get the lovely white buttercream colour. You are then going to add in your icing sugar. Pop it in that side. We want to add in your heavy cream. And then you want to add your lemon extract, or whichever flavouring you decide to make your buttercream.
I like to pop a tea
Yeah.
towel
If
over
you
the
don't
top,
have the lid that goes over the
because
top.
it will stop it from flying everywhere.
And we are actually going to put this just on a low setting at first for 30 seconds. We want that ice and sugar to be combined with the butter without it going all over the shop, which you know is going to happen if you put it on high speed.
And you want to avoid over mixing as well.
Your buttercream should now be mixed. It should look something like this. You can see it's very firm, perfect for piping, perfect to frost those cakes. We are going to take a little bit out, just a small amount, for our white. And then we're going to do the same with our green. We only need a small amount of green because it's literally just for a small amount of leaves detailing that we're going to do throughout our cake. Add our colourings to our bowls.
We are using Sugar Flare food colouring.
I'm going to show you a little trick to get white inside of our flowers first. We are going to get our red buttercream, like so, and we are going to lay it onto our cling film. There we go. Then we are going to get our white and we are going to pop it in the center. Take our cling film, I'm going to go from this side, and we are going to roll it. We want to make sure that that red is inside. We don't want the white on the outside, so we need to make sure it's all covered in that red. Tuck it, tuck, 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 like so. Snip the end and pop it into our piping bag. The tip that we are going to use is this one. You can see it's got 3 little edges, another 3, and some dots in the middle. That'll give you a bit like a tulip style effect. Our cupcakes are now out of the oven. We are going to let these cool down before we pipe our buttercream on, because we don't want it melting. And we will be right back. Our icing is in our pipe and tip bag. Come for a closer look and I'll show you how it's done. I'm going to add my leaves onto my flowers. So I've popped my green buttercream into my piping bag. For our next cupcake, we are going to be making 3 little roses on each one, then doing an odd little decoration in between. For our little decorations around our roses, we are going to be making some leaves and dotting some little white flowers in between. And for the middle cupcake, we are just going to do a big rose.
For this next part, you are going to take 7 of your paper cups and you are going to stick them in a bouquet formation using your sellotape. Now do not worry too much, it's not going to touch your cupcakes in any way because they're just going to sit in the paper cups.
So we have done the 1 rose design, which goes in the middle. Then the 3 tulip style, we are going to pop it 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, it's already formed a beautiful bouquet of cupcakes. We are going to be adding tissue paper and a pull for ribbon. Okay, so we're going to move our tissue paper along, pop our bouquet in the middle. And there you have it, a beautiful Valentine's bouquet. That's it for 2 Smart Cookies today. Send us some love by giving us a like and subscribe, and comment what other Valentine's bakes you would like to see next.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.